I'm just killing it right now. What is going on? Killing it. I'm gonna do it again. Then we gotta go to the front.
Oh my God! Nice, Chris.
Yeah, boy, killing it.
Air high five. I think it was too zoomed in.
Alright,
Ah.